at Rodney Bay Mall, sightseeing and seeing what kind of shops they have in their malls. So we are at Baywalk Mall. All right, so we are in the downtown area of St. Lucia. What? First Caribbean Bank. They probably went to go look for food. We got Domino's Pizza over there. One of their malls here, Blue Coral Mall.
Yeah.
Alright, so this is one of their beauty supply stores in St. Lucia. They're coming. They have slippers, shoes, little toys. Oh, they're so cute. Baby items, drawers, bins. We are in Mega J's, which I guess is like a Sam's Club. If you've ever been to Sam's Club or BJ's, this is what it looks like. This is like their wholesale place.
No, when she get mad or when she gets tight, she just don't give a fuck. I'm like, yo, bro.
Yeah, this is definitely like a Sam's Club or a BJ's or Costco's. And it's called Mega J's.
We walking back this way.
Or is it Mega J's or Macy's? What is it? Mega J's, Macy's, something like
We
that.
coming back there, Erica.
It looks like it, but it's not.
It's like BJ's, yo.
It's like BJ's and Costco's and
Yo, that's what I'm saying. Let's
Yeah, water. Let me yeah, water.
okay, sexy, I see you. Give him the model walk. Okay, okay, okay. Oh, we can go down? We can go down.
Yeah.
Be careful because he said it can't be sued if you fall. Oh yeah, this wood is, yeah, be careful because this wood is not good.
What? It says anyone who enters this facility is doing
So if you fall through there, they ain't paying for it.
own risk. Yes, it says it.
You playing around, this shouldn't fall through, your ass getting left.
So basically, you play Russian. You be that.
I already said this wood right here is going through, so you better.
Look at the bird! The colorful rooster! Hold on!
All right, let me be careful because y'all playing games. I ain't got time to be falling through no damn.
Big ass. Fucking
Wait, you can't see no more.
Where's that?
right there.
In the grass.
Once we get up there, you might have to turn it over.
I might just hit it raw hard.
One,
That's
but
on my
that's the whole
element.
resort.
I like dark skins. Love a melanin. Pump, Christian Louboutin.
We
When
are
I'm stepping in.
headed. feel good. That's how you know they're the country dogs. My dog don't love water at all. Smile, say hi again. Look at my horse, Lucky. He's a bit stubborn, but today is Thursday. We are horseback riding on the beach, having fun. Oh, you are right. And along the trail. Now that yellow is complimenting your skin. So that yellow is complimenting your skin. Along a nature trail. We are having fun, enjoying life out here in St. Lucia. Ow. Recording? Yes, I am. Recording my foot in the water. My baby. Hey! Alright, we are in the water with our horse. Please don't let me fall off this horse. We are in the water. You are in the water. Shit! This is the fight. Huh? This is the fight. Alright, y'all.